With COVID, it really brought to light a lot of the potential hazards that we risk every day. The fact that COVID was found in the sewer and things like that, and we're constantly touching the trucks, and we're in and out of the trucks, we're touching the steering wheels, our water bottles, things like that, things that you don't think about until something like this happens, and then you try to be more aware. We're using hand sanitizer every day, and there's times where we get in really greasy, nasty lines, or just the sludge is real dark and thick, and as the hose is coming back and that collar that actually wrenches everything down, before the hose was just a mess and we'd have to go and actually take it back and roll it out and clean it. Well, now it's being cleaned as it's being rolled up. So that eliminates a lot of that unnecessary work because it's being done as you're cleaning. When you smell that clean and you know it's clean and you put things in your van or you put things away here, you're not smelling that sewer smell anymore, especially some of the lines we get into. So another thing too is, especially here in Boulder, is very environmentally conscious. Stuff gets run into the curb line. Now the curb line goes into the storm sewer. It gets out to a creek or a river. Now we're trying to eliminate that because now we're actually cleaning everything before, and it's not getting spread, or like I said, kids riding their bikes through it. Don't know, they think it's water. It could be harmful to them. There's a lot of things that, like I said, you don't think about at first. When you just do it every day, you kind of get complacent, but then you actually slow down and you think about it, and there's a lot of health risks for what we do. Health-wise and safety and everything like that, it's a no-brainer to me why we use it. As people see it and they get to know a little bit more about it, it's definitely something that they'll grasp onto. And some people just don't know until you actually have it on there and you see how effective it is and the purpose of it. But once you understand, yeah, absolutely. If you know it's out there and you know there's products like this, you should be using it, especially in this field.